Hey everyone, today we're going to dive into how to calculate the value of sine 18 degrees. It might seem like a tricky angle, but by constructing a special isosceles triangle, we can easily crack this nut. If you want to give it a shot yourself, feel free to pause the video. I'll start in 3 seconds. We know that sine 18 degrees is a special angle, and to calculate its value, we can use the properties of trigonometric functions to simplify the problem. First off, let's construct an isosceles triangle ABC with a vertex angle of 36 degrees. Since the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, the two base angles are naturally both 72 degrees. Next, we need to construct 18 degrees. Drawing a perpendicular line from point A to line BC at point E, it's easy to see that segment AE also bisects angle BAC. Therefore, angle EAC measures 18 degrees. Next, let's draw the angle bisector of angle ABC intersecting side AC at point D. This means that angle ABD is 36 degrees, and since angle BAD is also 36 degrees, triangle ABD is isosceles with AD equal to BD. In fact, triangle BDC is also an isosceles triangle with a vertex angle of 36 degrees, making BD equal to BC as well. According to the definition of trigonometric functions, sine 18 degrees is equal to the length of EC divided by the length of AC. Let's assume the length of segment AC is 1, and BC is represented by x based on our earlier deductions. We know that BD and AD are both equal to x. So, once we figure out the value of EC, we'll have our problem solved. Triangles ABC and BDC both have vertex angles of 36 degrees and share angle ACB, making them similar triangles. Based on the properties of similar triangles, it's straightforward to conclude that DC divided by BC is equal to BC divided by AC. Now, let's go ahead and find the value of x. 1 minus x over x equals x over 1. 1 minus x equals x squared. X squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. X equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 1. All over 2 times 1. X equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 5, all over 2. Since x is greater than 0. X equals the square root of 5 minus 1, all over 2. Sine of 18 degrees equals the ratio of EC to AC, which is equal to negative 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, multiplied by 1/2, divided by 1, which simplifies to negative 1 plus the square root of 5 over 4.